Tá tú a géisioach leis na Gaelgails ar Raidió Rí-Rá.
Well, hello, Halini. Chutub.
Hello.
Tá Rachel agus Clí an Chalamsa. Mr. Róisín agus tamaill gCill a bheith. Go caiint a chéile mar níach me si siúte le fada agus tá mé gar gluis le fao chuir do na tharlú fi láthir so beidir Clí. Ceachilta sa?
Extractled fwy láthir.
I know.
Yeah, tá beagganín fótarm agus tá héis ma caffi spillal ar an early, but seacha sin tá mé go bra.
Seachas sin.
Seacha sin, you know, like
Cin costas fi ar an coffee?
Á trí ar chuig ní hé seo bathe clia. Oh my god, me mála clia, sorry, seo rant dúr at the gap. But bhí mé mála clia an tratan scáte agus dí like bhí costas like cuaig fithe ar caramel latte at Starbucks and I was like absolutely not. Yeah. Should duck right anyways.
Yeah. Rach, ceachilta sa?
Tá mé go maith caithfí mé sorry ará mar eile mar caiid an Zoom agus fáibanna idirna just because níl mo idirn go maiid an shop. Ach yeah, tá mé go maiid tá mé tar shock because níl muid tar éis sosaáil ón obair like so thusig an like blin scoil mína lúnasa. Agus ní raibh like shocked and Sarah going go full agus I know go well like nimitary sawali like tashi there midterm breaknish so yeah tá my tear shock ach níl ach trí shocked in fácha because tá an World Cup ag shocked an shop tá sé tusnú ar an dara lás cap
okay
so tá yeah so bé skull creek na ha like done nolag ar an shock tú lá but yeah bé skull creek na go lew ní ach trí shocked in fácha gwen so tá méid to do limalain spira Tá méid dul go ó man ar feadh cuaig lá agus ó man go Paris ar feadh cuaig lá freisin and then dé mé bháilinn Airne ar like tríú láideag de mína nula so ag tanú se a eáil freisin so
wow
nuú ar fad
a heel wem like
no yeah
if even am go to like oh yeah agus ní bheith sosa an go mé World Cup points like ní bheith sosa go World Cup
I know yeah tá sé cáil like it's so funny because just mar is mean for me like I'm like oh ní for mé sos like tá sé có jacker like ní gnápos and like ní find sheet sos so it's like towards mock but like yeah near as midterm break ben but tá sé shocks and there again curious on term sin so face grand curfew Róisín my tattoo
my god Molly ran us a meme fan you know when they're a heel in the band shafts the room she's like hey how y'all doing Molly Martian mar like me and my hatred Podchraoladh ages agus ní ra mé an cringing zoom edit ná can ribbon ná beidir can ribbon sé
so
well tá leis ge lá mar tá tú haar leir tá ach tá me go má tá maithú níos á le garid mar dag me fós so tá
Woohoo!
Salsa, well, salsa go pizza. Fós I déile le mo isha brí session ag ach tá me CBD fi láthir so ní CBD we've chat around CBD it's like no sugar different routine so it's like gar like full skill nu le déile les gros agus ru mar tá mis like just number chin élim ó choir do ma héalú me fi sos is bit like oh no country value ach yeah tá duna níos áneis agus asú le am se nolik mar bin na gals Somála níach mar Rachel sa saora so me gur actually eáil an urs ó mar
yeah oh like nach gabli
I was like Luna a Nora
yeah
like what's like darmod go ned am hate amach mar with the dangle agus fasam could tarlo the heels you know like well mission ben oration ní mission
no I trade with on Snapchat group like fish on a leg
oh yeah although our Snapchat mar cufa tan a groupie Snapchat ha ná brean ar choirtó heol duine ón údsaide go tú a chanéis ní ná ach mé áid ó an lá omláéis a caite agus sin imon na challenge céalta agus ní mála me sin mar téimar snapchat idir coppleir satan ní bhí me chu le lá agus bim lag rant ífaáil sam agus má na hála tús.
Aoife rant is iad na fi an is fearlumm in my hail nuair acham Adam Eve talk to it over phone and the little Snapchat logo I'm yes.
Agus there's yes,
buckle in.
Yeah, and I'm eggleric my earphones and I'm Roladini be quiet, be cute car and then it'll be something and I parked the car and then whoa. I'm obsessed.
Tu go mád cínteach scéal agus an crutha íbhá go lábhí cimar. Trí téime seach mar siúmra agus tá go the cushion sin I think a reading cushion is ní bhí me se lob. Ach sim siar been okay, it's my Ray agus an isis tá go piano it's been fé snap fi chur hí a hálas a scá agus dúver fashion di dúver chud má fashion.
Tá go mai donna fi
agus just current me se Evás ra. Okay, tá right.
Is bralam na fi but oriented does ní bhíon an fáin agam brand new or legs so gems that you're skip all treat but then call into Latin scale and then again Jerry you're kind of you're fun could you give raggery and dinner Ella
no drop milk tá brown and fish and Aoife are oh god
you know on meme shit it's I'm reading all that but sorry about that but or no happy for you bro and ready version
fan tú meach HP so go rud ábhachtach a bhí an sin catúil siar agus brew agus there se oh Roisin replayed your snap was well she me géis it's tapan go a Snapchat go mar níl was that chun tú this was on Instagram the gar go mé snap a hí said probably go neachchan picture seach go Lightroom pulling neach so scale na that whereas Snapchat's just come as a lebo agus tá chocolate term agus tá hoodie blanket for their sin Snapchat.
Agus tá sé jazz fashion mar tá WhatsApp a gin I go really gals and then Instagram a go memes and then Snapchat a go daily catch up things.
And then Messenger a go gossip.
I think Messenger a go ruddy tavach talk at Harlow. So say my find your post you wouldn't show a snap you would show text or Messenger.
Their version being is so fancy
big time Messenger
that's
just for the fish on the scale
agus Messenger or again chala sé seachní be duine aig mis strachel feel bro there agus ca seconds would look okay alright. WhatsApp cabh níos á le WhatsApp mar bhí me go generalta bhí me cinál seachant WhatsApp mar app mar just sin an áta bhí golóir the effigiúlatíocht agus bhí se acadamid oscailt chanis era nó se midnights era so
just the reputation era
so bé man níos á agus go níos á mar chara agus mar cholaachtaí ar Podchraoladh na gal. Well éidir eicim si bím an intent le grá bím just seo grá le hí ar leid séhí
well see I tá airí sinna so tá sé Jackar níl muid san áf céine níl muid even to time zone céine tá sé an Jackar agus nuair a bhog mé an seo bhí sé Jackar tá sé fós Jackar ag léamh teachtarachtaí cos I'm níl mé an teacht más ag bhfuil si agrú rud éigen sa chat I'm ag mothú kind of crap then mothú mar that drug cara but ag an an céine you can only do so much, you know.
But I think chuma níl muid le má clia heile ach an air do you know the way think it was like Deireach taréis an ollscoil, like bhíon cuid is móg an either fós amánúd nó mana clia.
Or temple, yeah.
Rachel bhí tosan dread ahad and bhí dúlair slegach, whereas in it's like Berta Malia clia Russian does eagle dar mis géirí so ní image like ní hé I don't tá sé difriúil ríis like ní hé ghfuil mu pod ag búla lena chéile ach an aird
like níach má hosa chéile forever like
not the Breton Uri on Martin there going Hannig Aoife Somalia
yeah
so like is it
oh my god Baymage absolutely was all
right mit bheith goach right Clíodhna goach ach má na bhirtein goach le chéile ar Harlan to chaos
I don't think we're mar an wit lena chéile ó Oireachtas Airne protein as in like
sin hí na gal de boga an ar nach me cheappa
oh yes
ach lockdown ní
lockdown I'd say ní is go an glúdín that's such weird and like na bhfuil sé crackáilte like na ruí bhí chuin gen of like le feel like le peanta bheith go mé leir le Carlam ar éir rinne siad 12 popes but like ní raibh sin éon joke á gan bia so chuir siad amach go dinner right and then bhí pub eile bhí siad gen of like we got in ordered pizzas and then we should like what's your busket and pizza and they're like yeah so then like we should name fan joke but then just we should go to pizza like just honest go make she'd name oh my just crack all it like
€9 meal because you have to on order like you have to on like chicken wings or like rud biog like remember it was like not
substantial
specific and €9 meal
Bhí me leirta al agus bhí si rá gur factas ar go fóbo ar agus mu ag an Oireachtas so me like oh no like tá cínta go mé pána si like oh yeah tá go nu áireach le Lucy so me like sorry tá fór like Clárde nu áireach ach ja be se aach an déana mar mohím like cholah an eile bhí canál like grúpa agháid agus finish groupie new
I actually feel like the information is far because Baron is it like ní I mean Jackarty agan a bit kind of Daniela in a occurred like on a social to my group but I think the come out like not well with clí like omlán lena chéile like leis an grúpa go méid an just dul like so mis go obair and then Roach be like and just the jewelers na comórte so
Bé me se gobud freisin agus awesome chu go éú meag pígan sanna agus bim caiint le daine ag tíine mócra tíine ach like tá gal bheit níos cuara mí blianana go man actually car am le daine just a rihurt mar ní eicim sib chomininic inis so me gur amach eile mar Hanna definitely.
Mohim go mé like anna which DMCs agus mé go na raid sin like
ní ré antíoch weim sin Eicimiid.
Tá ag fiú leis an Insta content.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Like
yes.
The core shift like pack my bag with me. And like
nagging
I'm a walla done Oireachtas
ma wait
Tá sa 5-foot cardboard
Art what?
5-foot cardboard cut so horse the goini so what the yeah so má tá sé big frasler in Oireachtas agus ma can jib like Dini random a team an áte it's my shit Which is cúis leis.
That's make point on like ag méid daine leir leis na cotá.
Yeah.
Well was is go a hála ha.
Yeah.
Bit a fion. Okay, well in this time it's got leir twin téma a bhí sochaig sin during like féan over the chaid iad go leir san chéile fi gadachtal a chéile. Okay, Clí, we'll give us hand of us areas fi láthair, cur ar siúlad, bhfuil an moltaí thing.
Yeah, because Tagann Róisín ní duine mór like moltaí scannáin ó teilifíse mé, but tá actually héit brathnú ar cupúrad gomá ar Netflix agus Disney Plus. Raidió Hocus Pocus 2 an se bheith.
No.
Tá sé actually anhá bhí mé cinlín airs a faoi like sequels like tro a bliana níos déanaí, but tá sé actually anhá tá sé like site san am láthair agus tagann na Sanderson sisters arás. But she read like tá cúpla right like really grand agus tain siad go like chemist like Walgreens agus tá siad agus an sin like leis na vacuums or na sciúb na bhí acu like tá duine bháin agus tá gá room bezeici ar cosa agus tá si just like tá si anna camp like bhí an scannáin mar sin like tá si kind of like tá si ddíortha ar í seachas ar an níos óg agus sin rud a hat níos lom. Do you know like le sequels I could bring Jenny go she fótí dúr ar fáistí, but is más an má é seo like tá si really kind of dúr ar like our níos grúpa, so yeah, hatan sin mórlam tá mú brathnú ar the bear go má faoi láthair is chláir is like dar comedy atá in sin actually anhá I think that nó sé Raidió Rí-Rá.
You're holding my fé Harba.
Yeah, I think tá sé Tá sé cúpla duna áhla, but yeah, tá sé like níl ach taréis brathnú ar like trí agrán.
An ceangan a rudí sin na níd na mór the rá faoi gan na chéile bhíle.
No, well, like no, it's basically just like like Nurian's too like her she is air like neither it's kind of níos mó like an stíl agus na character Shaq is like an scale hain it's just we like lad agus bhí sé in a chef in like 5-star like or like Michelin star like Bílin an Cabérad and then find gar her boss agus tá like shoppa like tá like cafe it's like sandwich shop like but tá she like really rich as she is agus like tá she free root agad agus fágan an dearthar an Bílin seo leis an dearthar leis an brave character nó an she boss so then tá mo gona chatrá she géirí like quick her already and then just ton of Dini go around like she gas like the she like yeah anwa yeah I don't like I don't not like grimy and this combination fucking carrot but like kind of dark comedy yeah
like Sumi and Shay kind of consider the flea bag
yeah no
oh girl Kai says I can't take home my creepnik may like I'd say like 3 shots you know him
but then it said like I'm a 28-year-old woman. What am I, a child bride? But then caution.
Yeah.
Okay. Should tear a toss and face.
Like brishu on fourth wall or whatever. Being she a glower slash on camera on Tom Fod. So it's like being she kind slash like the DB talk féachaint and Clark. Kind of like really ash stuck, but it's grander. Came a dark.
Yeah, we're after on this material.
Yeah.
Yeah. So shouldn't already will she brand new if we law her.
Okay. Tá ma ag éisteach le Podchraoladh nó well beidir nach chuil chola nach tá mit antáí le Podchraoladh agus tá cá nuán ar bhaim Girls Next Level agus is birthmarrá a bhí ar an chláir Girls Next Door ar like 50 blianachan bhí cúnaí sa Playboy Mansion le Hugh Hefner agus tá siad galchríd an chláir agus leirt faoi na rudí le bhí tarlú ar chúl státe agus iad cúnaí an mar an chláir a bhí ar fi blianachan bhí se an like fluff piece kinda like éadrom agus bhí siad frí agus rinne siad iarcht canal Eva canal family friendly chur Playboy agus inis so callú Hugh Hefner hurt ar chuig blianachan nu chead blianachan ar cin so nis tá neil seo scéalta tíocht amach chu a pééis like Me Too ag seisiú le gorá rudí tarlú sa teach sin agus sa cólach nachrá chudáas sin agus tháinig chlár amach le gaiad tháinig mar Sky The Secrets of Playboy agus bhí go leor daoine ó like na teas go dtí na teachtatí ará gur hála droch rudí op i réchaí agus éile le Playboy so an Podchraoladh seo so a Holly Madison agus Bridget Marquardt my chapel níos más ádaríomh siad a play an chláir agus an taithí acu sa teach agus tá se chospéisiú mar nar bhí me se like ag na tí ag go wadra óg bhíoch na breanúid cho aisteach a dis fennar cinál an cuachta bhí go fearr seo bhí le 8-5 agus méid aige ige agus daach seo ige agus hí na cailíní seo a bra le chuir tó agus bhí sé cinál iad a háint amach ó le cardíachmh níor ceach go bh gobud agus bhí arb bheith bra le chuir tó. Duna móhla. Níl sam aige se le chuir a beh mar maihí mar nó go bhfuil le mar go brama breanir agus me níos óige agus fééis mar bín cinál fééis ansa le na Americana cinál rudí sin a réchaí achna an Podchraoladh a tá géisteach leis fi láthair agus an sin me breanir Buffy. Like tá Buffy class. Like má a bag an camp with agus cinál Y2K freisin tá stíl Buffy antach agus you go bhfuil couple like bag CGI dodgy on galore like practical effects as on so the brand good as fashion agus on the character spatial to my like shred 3 ish and near chat meg bach my brand or be my like art from episode of all yeah reading ma agus such a Disney Plus my cap a full hood agus hate so much off year go my brand angel such an in half yeah should have agus mata should like routine canal tema canal cos eiche hána tá Buffy the Vampire Slayer go má agus an mala déirnach tam ná an leabhar Dracula me léomh fi leid well léomh me géisi leis rá ach like near was as chi like cluisian tú finish gealta seo agus ní tú ach fi na PC na play fi routines eile a bhí canal le kaint fé like tá se chuit ansin nachhfuil taí ansa leis an actual scale so a léamh Sure no sin like lé mar routines like no like fi on TikTok
yeah
ach tá géisi leis fiid agus tá se wow níor hiic me le amach go leabhartá so like an géad chuidrá is díalan atá agus duine le scríomh tá sé teach Dracula agus tá se leir fi ruí aisecha tátá sa teach agus tá se like oh ní ceapan go ruí okay an seo like wow okay noted agus an sin an chéad chudal is litrichaí tá an so yeah is má me mar leabhar agus hééis me seo a chiochnú tá an le an gailge fa an live héit you know why not food to Rachel
kind of here like Tom Co canóach fi láthair le rudí scoile so nílam in on kind of like species agus like if I expect an teilifíse but I obviously actually am because beam TikTok I goni agus YouTube like expect feicthe but nílam in on like go with Jock le shra echo like it's a big commitment or something like Tom create the hala last like yeah practically the boys Amazon Prime obviously say class like honestly we say doc like it's really ashdoc like really different August I would never like watch a series like that but we say go my but no creating me be me ignorant like would again kind of as the less on time McCain or less Marangana but you ever been on Chapter in which then Vishay Jacker who do you know I was like do you ever get that in your life where you're just not able to commit like even like do you scan on like when it gets too long need on TV gower and clig but like we saw her Tom just kind of can cheer air like Ruddy bratic me air like Blino hin like Blinto hin like Tom can dare Jane the Virgin or East like done trio or I'd say can we submit Unbreakable is even the way The Office just it seems she is like Tom Igler good and reliable that I know basically Grand Asia August on Tain Road knew a Tom Igler air not UK Drag Race track her and I really recommend because it's so grand but yeah Sinead really Neil McGlave no Neil McJane Ainwood be me the picture then like Goblino hin Be gosh shocked to know him. August graphic me air smile, you know, like on
whole of it.
Yeah.
Gonna ufash.
Yeah, oh my god. She gone really she grand actually because who we made Rachel agus bhí an Bertagoin sa picúlan agus bhí an offload like actually bhí more an daoine an and like bhí gach in ag scrada like it was so grander. But yeah, I don't know what I even recommend, to be honest. I got on bhí sé go mai bud like
seo agran free ruddy knock mulla creatal.
Yeah. No, like Mullen Kimmy Smith definitely the office definitely, but I'd say go say feicthe got there like because Neil feicthe are England. Yeah.
Rachel, like, you know what? Actually, not back.
Chaos.
It's not hate le aon rud atá ráte goin le like cuir trocan ó what it is. Actually rud bhfuil me si ar bhratning me ar when majarmad ar heartbreak high agus tá sé anhá tá sé ar nós like mask on idir like what do you call it? It's like 13 reasons why sex education agus never have I ever like in kind of an
never have I ever never have I ever
never have I ever to shin on what
never have I ever
Woolen heartbreak high because she said san astra I was like cap my share deuce I was like this going to me do you know like near like knock run Americana at the time you kind of like no nach bhfuil si like such a Americano Samhna go mín si cinlín difriúil but actually hadn't si mór tá se anhá bhil nation because bhí start an heartbreak high like sna nógadí I think it's reboot time
bhí leabhar an ar an tí a hrá it's like
Netflix
tá sé ar Netflix bhil nation agus tána agran like da nóid ocht agran like perfect
it's like Poo's her like Grey's Anatomy on Poo's
actually we make brought anywhere on Cade like on Cade chláir and Desperate Housewives
wow
I definitely research that as well
an gcuimhan of like ihe mart it'd be Grey's Anatomy and Desperate Housewives and like between Phonics is like Miss Janie and then it's like then like brand new cheer is like near Carrot Kameme like
no
brand narration but it was just like if you've been like probably like what Jack Nordic immersion Bradner
Desperate Housewives literally like we made ní bleed a these excited Desperate Housewives I'm a one
like Edie go
my god she's having an affair like 9-year-old me absolutely eating it up like
after I say H ban or Riverdale old Bogman's and old skull or fucking PC or TikTok as Captain girl like satire songs just like no an actual fail Tarlu in Riverdale
tá crack alta
like ní hiigim céir a tarlú se agus len troim gon le ashoí mars léir ná de caraval an ní sú
like nuair a hosa sé bhí sé like go mai like bhí mé gaf leis an like an cé track ceapna gra sé and then I know went
Clíodhna me brenn ar siúman do gailge is bhíoh lína ceap a grom is are cringú so like they're problem
that's really me but actually Brathnic made The Watcher ar Netflix tá sé bunathe ar sear scale táach like bugan si the stock talk nua tá like dinner on a show and like litter okay ag rá like tá méid féachaint and like you've brought young blood to the house it's the best genre
absolute effort
so I got two deir siad gar sé bunathe ar fear scale but I kind of really made Dermot gar sé bunathe ar fear scale and then we're cooking sé like ní raibh mé sásta leis on like on chláir déanaach like ní raibh sé mai and I was like so far gach and then dirt Owen lo music like sure like it's a fear scale like níl siad non like like a ahru like ní raibh sé sásta like I got there it wasn't satisfying the end like
okay so ní bhrean the immersion
that's how the real story ended if you know what I mean
rude
actually, but bhí sé go mai but ní raibh mé like go home land sásta leis on there
Harla sin doing it like Killing Eve and what situation tá sé like so bhí Cara séisiir ann agus séisiir haindó trí like dochreide and then an séisiir Jarnach we're just like like Cara how Thailand an seo agus an chláir Jarnach freisin agus just milling sé like on other fadit because like Newton so basically like Killing Eve it's like Sandra O Grey's Anatomy agus Jodie Comer agus tá hééis like crush allwar author Jodie Comer like she's just do credit but basically it's assassin character Jodie Comer agus sin Irene Sandra O is Irene she done the MI5 so basically she gear go all her character Jodie Comer agus but yeah like she just like really is like card agus really she grander but and then being quitting it and being just like whoa like Dini fall boss and Mali Ufasaga but she anwa my chlár so we'll hinne but does not Bratninger in season Jarnock
recommendations are so cute the ending was so bad people die and it's gruesome I'd recommend it but like maybe not
well like mochitza is like well art brand shot or these agus chinna chin agus chin basic or ticket to or the tamaill like just like mat that TV ads just let Didu or Amo one
like it should on road actually because we may grow not make taken their television was there grab after remembering that I watched Never Have I Ever on the Watcher August Hussig me and the Jeffrey Dahmer and the Evan Peters Buffy Shea Rose song them like on the senior admin on AFK but I'd say good like Chucky Mirror Ash my attention span is so geared that Nurtamer Netflix like on Cage Road to Tire continue watching just boom I'm like okay
be fair you have a social life Rachel so
yeah
thank you but no it's actually mostly over Chimera it's like I'm quite just most over because like nor Tom Wally owned over than like Tom Roku and Tearshock like nor Kerman television or siúl like hitting him color so
yeah
okay well a hard made gur wall rape such an going tan as a chláir it's like Oireachtas na Samhna me an chláir go amach so I can ship with it Kite tafs high rolling few but the doching the weird mar come a girl airtla ní mis go mal am nach chuid ná éan so le gal sin rá ag níl alsun again leave her all Kate on so just tarsus aber high my girl airta
it'd be missing chuck do so it's a Russian would you like Jesus Neil Alton on shoulder on Kate
like Kermit whose barrow goes but like oh okay okay can't do that fuck with it go follow part
Slán